To find the domain of the function, we need to check for the x values that would make the denominator equal 0. Because when the denominator equals 0, that gives us an undefined function. So the denominator here is already factored for us, so we need to take each factor and set it equal to 0. And whatever x values we get, we want to exclude that from the domain. So we want to exclude -3, and we want to exclude +2. So if we write that in set builder notation, then it's all real numbers excluding -3 and +2. And then if we write it in interval notation, if we were to graph it on a number line, if we mark -3 and +2, and if we were to shade the domain, we would exclude -3 and 2, but we would shade everything else except for those values. So if we write that in interval notation, we would start with -infinity all the way to -3 with parentheses. The second interval would be -3 to 2, and the third interval would be 2 to infinity. So those are two different ways to write the same answer.